is.
I know, I'm about 100 years old with it. It pulls me like this. I have to walk like this. And it's the only time it's been down this year to my wonderful guests, Sharon and Mr. Childers.
There you go.
So I could show off my long hair. There we go. There's the goodness.
Now you video some of this for us.
Go ahead and hug her again.
I know that's right. Thank you, Mr. Childers.
Thank you.
I don't even know your first name.
Bobby.
That is so funny. I call you Mr. Sir Childers. That's been your name for me. So it's Bobby. See?
Bobby.
I don't even think
Not
I
a Robert,
that.
I'm a Bobby.
Oh my
Everybody
God.
says, you want Bob? I said, no, I'm Bobby.
Well, like I say,
Always
it's an
been.
honor to know y'all. So y'all gonna come back and we're gonna play in that pool with the Corona. Don't tell nobody. And just have a good old time and get y'all in and down.
Sounds like
Everybody's going to know.
Yeah.
We're going to have a party and some couple
We are.
Coronas, guys.
Well, if we ever get that land, the pasture area leveled
Right.
out, we want to start hosting.
Well, see, that's like an RV angel.
Okay.
That's kind of our future dream.
Okay.
So when we
Yeah.
can't travel anymore, I've got property.
Okay.
I get the money to buy property, but we're going to have it for RVers that like to travel.
See?
For those who aren't as fortunate
Yeah.
as those that are.
Right.
It's for our community.
It's giving back.
Giving
Exactly.
back, paying it forward.
That's what I mean, and that's what we would like to do, and that's why y'all are welcome anytime. Just let me throw the junk in the closet, and we'll be set. Corona out there.
Don't bother us.
Y'all, this lady is fabulous. She wanted to come and meet us. We met here at the Cracker Barrel in, what's the name of this town?
Fairburn, Georgia.
Fairburn, Georgia.
And she treated us to lunch. She's a sweetheart.
No, we love you
Give me
guys.
another hug. Thank
Oh
you
my
so much.
goodness, thank you so much. And thank you, Sharon, for
Here.
honoring me, giving me a hug. Oh, girlfriend. Y'all are friends for life. And you know, I told Betty that. I said, Betty, I think these people are going to be friends for life. And,
Well, we like to hope so.
I know. And that's
part
what
of
I
why
like
we're doing
about,
this.
Yeah.
We're for real.
But find real people, down-to-earth people,
Genuine.
genuine.
They have a conscience and
Yeah,
a care.
yeah. And help others. And who knows, if y'all broke down, now you have a link in Atlanta Metro, and we'll always help you out. We'll set you up, we'll throw you in the pool. And you know what I mean? And y'all can go fishing in our pond. We have some bass back there and some brim. But cook on that barbecue pit because it's dying. It needs some help. It needs some chicken. It needs some steaks on there and things like that. But thank y'all again so much for coming. And
No problem. We
Look at this big truck here.
support the Silver Air Patrol. The Silver Air Patrol is the official Air Force auxiliary. We start with the largest inland search and rescue for lost planes, lost people, and we are mandated under the guidance of the United States Air Force. We start taking cadets in at 12 and teach them military customs and courtesies, search and rescue techniques, aerospace technology. So all the math and sciences applied in how to fly a plane, how to fly rockets. We do summer encampments where they actually learn how to do gliders on their own and solo. They can actually be in the back seat as a scanner out the window looking for search and rescue on the ground for a downed aircraft or missing persons. Silver Air Patrol has the largest fleets of Cessna 182s in the entire world. We are in almost every city, every state. We have a southern division, and this is my baby. I'm a captain in the Silver Air Patrol, very proud of it. And like I said, if you have cadets, especially that are homeschooled and need a positive outlet, Silver Air Patrol unit on the local level is the most #1 place where homeschool people come and have an outlet. They learn, they socialize, they itching to get out, that we keep them safe. We have the largest cadet protection program in any society or any organization. So we're very proud of this. And I do search and rescue not only with the K9s, but Silver Air Patrol and my disaster team. We do a little bit of both. But this is my baby. I'm very proud of it.
and look, y'all, she flies helicopters.
Yes. I'm grounded
Wow.
right now, but we'll get back in it.
Wow, awesome, awesome.
I love these gals that can do.
That's
Love
it.
Yeah. Hey,
That's
get
it.
a picture of my bag. Look, do I have too much stickers? This is what y'all say. I have too much stickers. Medevac is my #1 thing. Life
Cool.
flight, y'all heard about that. We the
Oh,
ones
yeah.
that land our helicopters. of course, I had to go with my rescue B, because that's my name. Everybody calls me B, or Doc B. And
That's awesome.
it's a good truck, and it's a good world to be in. And
Oh,
we'll get
yeah.
back out there doing it. Right now,
Cool.
we just have to lay a little bit low.
Cool.
All right.
Super.
All right. So y'all support this, okay? All right. Sweet. Cool. We blew a tire. The first tire we've ever blown. Ever. I don't know. You can see Mr. Childers. We're on I-285 right here south of Atlanta. I hate this. Bad place to blow a tire. Oh my gosh. We heard it. Pop! We must have hit something in the road. Of course, this traffic is ridiculous. I hate sitting here on the side of the road with my baby. Oh my gosh. This is crazy. And he won't let me get out to help. Ugh. Here he is. He doesn't have much room to work with this. I'm not sure which one it was that blown, the front one or the back one. Wow. Boy, they're just rocking us. Man, oh man. Got the spare right there, thank goodness. Woohoo! Look at these people. They are flying and they just tailgate each other. It's just ridiculous. No wonder they don't have pileups here all the time. That's crazy. Crazy. Alright, he's trying to see if he can get it. Get it with that jack back there. We might have to use this other jack too. He got it off. Oh, look at that thing. Good golly. Woo! Oh my goodness. Wow. And y'all know these are new tires. We just had them put on. Oh my gosh. Yeah, he's able to get that one on. I thought I might have to go help. Yes, people, I do know how to change a tire, believe it or not. But it's nice to have a man that can do it too. Sweet. I love that man. Wow, that tire is torn to heck and back. Oh my gosh. Boy. What scares me more than anything? It's not that people are flying by. It's not that this is rush hour traffic in Atlanta. It's that people drive this fast and are on the phone or texting on the phone. That's what scares me. And him, I'm scared he's gonna be caught between the rail and the trailer. Oh geez, just finish up, babe. Well, he got it on. Now it's time to put everything back.
We must have probably knocked it in when it hit it. Because it was this tire that blew. That one was fine. This one was the one that blew. The tread came off of it. You probably wouldn't have. The tread came off and then's when it blew. That's what happened.
We got really lucky. That's all we've got is rubber marks on there.
It just whopped it around because this is fiberglass.
Right.
So I'll clean it up and it looked like new again. Just I got to recaulk this because when it hit it broke the caulk seal loose here.
Right.
Then we'll have to touch it up. Hey, you know, one blowout in 20,000 miles. Hey,
Not too bad.
Not too bad. I ain't gonna complain about it. Angels were on our side today.
That's a fact. Whew. But the tires weren't hot or anything. And it just, I mean, It just happened.
Just gave out. We'll video the tire.
We'll get it.
We'll video the tire so you can see. Same thing happened in the camper van cabin. It just happened to us.
That's right. So it's not all sitting on the lakefront watching the sunset. You do have some issues every once in a while. So, Miss Brenda, did you know that he was going to have to drink a Corona tonight because of what happened to us today?
After we were with Miss Brenda having lunch at the Cracker Barrel, which was an outstanding lunch and outstanding company.
And it was well appreciated.
And just to show you how things are sometimes, going along the road, everything's fine. She told us which way to go and everything was just perfect. Got out at the red light like she said, went up there, got on the interstate, got over on 280, just got on 285, probably no more than 3 or 4 miles. What happened? Boom!
Yeah.
Had a blowout. Luckily, it was a right front axle. Blew out. Didn't do a lot of damage. Didn't tell it. We'll show you a picture of that later. But wow, we were lucky. There was just kind of a wide place in the road there that I could get off on the shoulder. And the traffic was 4 lanes solid.
Yeah, and they were whistling by us like, God. I mean, they must have been going 70, some of them 80 miles an hour.
It was 90 degrees and it was 2:30 in the afternoon.
Ugh.
I changed that tire in 20 minutes.
Yeah.
If I was 10 years younger, I'd probably done it in 15.
He's my NASCAR boy. But we were lucky we didn't have a fire.
Yeah, but the tire, I grabbed the tire, I touched it with my hand, and there was no smoke or nothing. The whole outside tread, part of the tread came off. The whole thing.
Just like camper van Kevin.
And I checked the tires before we left. And we'd been sitting for what, 2 hours?
Right.
We had lunch with Miss Brenda, and it just went boom. Just gave out. I'm just glad it was on the passenger side, not the side of the interstate. Because if it had been on the side of the interstate, we couldn't have done nothing except call a record service, and they would have had to come and assist me.
Right.
So, but I didn't want to do that. I said, well, I can get it. So I made a shot at it, and I got it. It didn't take me. I had to use 2 jacks. I'm glad I used that jack on the out from under the seat of the Dodge, and I had my regular jack in the back of the truck. But I ain't gonna get me that. I got a low profile jack, but I got it buried up there. I usually don't do that unless I'm picking a whole axle up. But it worked. Hey, I got it done in about 20 minutes. Not too bad.
Safely.
Safely, yeah. I did it real quick. I got to go torque my nuts on though. I got my torque ring, so I'll torque them tomorrow. Get everything and check that pressure in that tire. I noticed that tire looked like it was kind of oval. So that's one indicator in the RV world here when you're checking your tires. That tire, instead of being flat like it should be, flat to the road, if it's ovaling, that's a good chance it's going bad on the inside. So that's what you probably get air between the liner and the tread casing. There's 2 different components there. You got your steel belted radial, then the tire, they glue that, well, they encapsulate what they call that. They encapsulate it. Sometimes they don't use a good adhesive or it's a bad adhesive, the rubber will not bond.
Or it's made in China.
Because I used to do that for people that I work for. But anyway, thank you. This Corona came in handy. Thank you so much, Miss Brenda. And I'll have many happy swallows of this.
Oh yeah.
Because it's well worth it. We made it at time to time on the campground. We got here a few minutes after 4. And it's a beautiful place. It's really nice. But, salute.
Let me show y'all the tire. And that is horrible. Horrible. So the whole rubber top came off.
Yep, that came off and that's what blowed it.
And these tires aren't even...
This tire is
not even a year old.
This tire's not a year old yet. I have to get my glasses so I can see what date it is.
Look at it. Wow. It just ripped open. What's up with that?
Yeah, it's like they didn't get enough, it's like the material's not right. All flaked off.
That's crazy.
Just come apart. And that's a Gladiator tire. the first one of them I've had to go.
Trailer tire.
Yep, it's a trailer tire. I need some air in this.
Wow.
How y'all doing this morning? We had a heck of a storm here last night. We were prepared though, because we've been watching the weather. There's two things I can give people advice on. Watch the weather, watch your tires, and watch where you park your RV. Especially if you got dead limbs and not healthy trees around. In this situation, the wind came out of the northwest, which is that way. We're kind of parked that way on our campsite.
Yeah, here.
Not like this guy here, but
Hold on.
what happened?
Oh.
What are you doing?
And there we are, right there. Looks white in this picture. Anyway, back to Mr. Childers.
Oh yeah, we had hail, and I think it was about 4:20 this morning when it hit.
Yeah.
I heard the hail, but she woke me up. There was a lot of crackling and popping, and the guy beside us lost his awning. But we didn't leave anything out because we knew they had predicted bad weather. Usually with bad weather, we know about it. You check your weather always 24 hours out every day. And they're predicting more storms this evening. So we won't be putting our awning out no time soon. And we're not near no bad trees, so I think we're okay. There always is the act of nature. Yeah, RVing's not always the pleasantest thing. These people look like they might be full-timers, I don't know.
Yeah. Man.
Oh. That's pretty good.
Uh-uh.
Got limbs down everywhere, so it was a good gust of wind. I would say probably 60 miles an hour winds. Every bit of that. Every bit of that. All the broken limbs and everything in here. So we're all good.
Wow. There she goes. Down behind the mountain there. Love it. Love it. Love it. Y'all have a good night. Give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. And tell your friends. We'll talk to you soon. Bye.